Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update maintenance tickets with Buildium step by step clearly. To update maintenance tickets with Buildium, start by logging into your Buildium account. Navigate to the maintenance section located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Select maintenance requests from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of all active maintenance tickets. Identify the ticket you wish to update. Click on the ticket to open its details. Review the current information provided, including the description and status of the request. If you need to add notes, scroll down to the comments section. Type your updates or additional information in the comments box. To change the status of the ticket, locate the status drop-down menu. Select the appropriate status from the options available. If you have resolved the issue, consider marking it as completed. To assign a vendor to the ticket, scroll to the vendor section. Select the vendor from the list or add a new one if necessary. Once you've added all relevant information and updates, click the Save button. This will ensure all changes are recorded and the maintenance ticket is updated. If you need to notify the tenant about the update, use the notification feature. Choose to send an email or an in-app notification according to your preference. After confirming all changes, exit the ticket. You can return to the maintenance requests page to review other tickets if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.